Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make this beef patty. Okay, we've got our beef. We're going to season it with some salt, some paprika, some garlic powder, some black pepper, bit of all-purpose seasoning, and some green seasoning. We're going to start. Okay, I added another tablespoon of green seasoning. You're welcome to do the same as well. In a large bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric, 100 grams of yard. I'm just going to slice those in small cubes into our flour mixture. Also, we've got about 100 grams of unsalted butter. We're going to cut that into cubes and put that also into our flour mixture. Now we're going to combine the yard and the butter into the flour using our hands, not making it much of a crumble, but just combining all that butter and yard together into the flour before we move on to the next step. Okay, we're gradually going to add some water to our dough mixture. We don't want to add too much water because we don't want to over knead our dough. The less mixing or the less kneading you do to this dough, the better it is, the more flaky your patty will become. I'm going to pour it out onto the counter so I can combine all those ingredients together a bit more easier. You're welcome to do the same, and try your best not to over knead this dough, because it makes your patty more flakier when it's not over kneaded, because you don't want to melt all that butter inside our dough. Okay, we're just going to wrap our dough into a clear wrap and place that in the fridge for about 20 minutes to keep it nice and cool. Okay, while our dough is chilling in the fridge, we're going to start on with our patty filling. So now we're going to saute down some onions on a medium-high heat While that's sauteing down, we're gonna add our beef that we seasoned up earlier. Okay, majority of our beef is now brown. Our onion is now looking a bit more transparent, so now we're going to move on to adding the rest of our ingredients to our beef. Okay, to our beef we're going to add some finely chopped carrots. We're adding some dark soy sauce. We're going to add some food browning to our beef as well. Then we want to mix all that ingredients all together. Okay, so I'm gonna add a bit more seasoning to my beef. So I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add a bit of hot paprika and some all-purpose seasoning. You're more than welcome to season it to taste. So I needed a bit more seasoning on mine, so I'm just adding a bit more just to give it a bit of pop, more flavor. You're welcome to season it as how you like to season your beef. Okay, so to my beef, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of ketchup. Everyone makes their minced beef totally different. This is how I make my minced beef. I add a bit of ketchup in there. I think it gives it a bit of flavor as well. So I do add ketchup to mine. If you don't add ketchup to yours, that's fine. You can make it how you like, but this is how I make my minced beef. Okay, to help absorb all that liquid in our beef, I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs into it. You're more than welcome to skip this step, but this is what I do to help absorb all that liquid that's in our beef. We don't want all that liquid running out or making our dough too soft, so this is why I add the breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna add the breadcrumbs into our beef, and I'm gonna let that saute down or cook down for another 10 minutes, and then it should be ready to add to our dough. Okay, so it's now time to roll our dough out. So you're going to put some flour onto your surface and use a rolling pin and roll our dough out. It is a bit hot in my kitchen, so my butter is melting really quickly, so I had to add a lot more flour than I usually do, but that's just to help me handle the dough a bit better because my kitchen was pretty hot, so the butter was melting much more quicker. So add as little flour as you needed, but I needed a bit more flour because, as I said, my kitchen was really hot, so the butter inside my dough was melting way too quickly than I wanted it to. All list of ingredients of how to make this patty will be in the description box below, so please check that out. Okay, so our dough is nicely rolled it out. So now I'm going to use a bowl to cut a circle out in our dough. I find it much more easier to use a bowl than to freehand do it. You know, it becomes much more neater using a bowl. So you're more than welcome to use a bowl, or you can freestyle it, make it as rustic as you like. So I'm using a bowl to cut out the dough so that I can add my filling to that. Okay, so now it's time to add our beef filling to our pastry. So you don't want to add too much because you don't want to overfill it where it does burst while it's cooking or burst when you're folding it. I did have that happen to me, but you don't want to overfill it. So you just want to put a generous amount inside so that it can be closed properly and you don't have any leakage. Okay, once you've added all your filling, you're gonna egg wash the edges so you can seal the pastries around. So you're gonna egg wash it. So I'm just brushing a few egg wash water around it to seal it. Okay, so once you've sealed your edges with the egg wash, you're gonna use a fork to seal your edges together by pressing it against the pastry, and that is also how you get that lovely design on your patty. Okay, so you want to place all your patty onto a baking tray lined with a baking paper. You want to egg wash it with your egg wash. It will give it that nice shine when it comes out of the oven. You want to place your patty in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes and it should be ready within that time. Hey guys, and this is the finished product, and this is how you make a beef patty. I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. If you did, please leave your comment. Remember to subscribe, like and share, and I hope to see you guys next time. Take care, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.